The radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to sum of areas of the two circles. చాలా క్లియర్గా ఏం చెప్తున్నా అంటే వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ టూ సర్కిల్స్ అండ్ దే ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ రేడియై 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. We have to find radius of that circle whose area is equal to sum of these two circles areas. Okay, so same as the previous question, one is having a radius of 8 centimeter and other is having a radius of 6 centimeter. One is having a radius of 8 centimeter, other is having 6 centimeter radius. Now what is the main hint given here? Area of a required circle, area of required circle is equal to area of circle 1 plus area of circle 2. If you are not able to understand this statement, please read the above question once. Okay, find the radius of circle having area equal to sum of areas of two circles. Read from here, area equal to sum of areas of two circles. I hope it is very clear now. Okay, so now what is area of required circle? Since we don't know radius, let it be pi r square. So pi into capital R square is equal to pi into r1 square plus pi into r2 square. Since pi is constant, we can take common and we can cancel it out. So pi into, what is r1 here? 8 square plus r2 6 square. Remember, we have already taken pi as common. Okay, now both sides pi can get cancelled and r square is equal to, very good, 64 plus 36, it will become 100, and r is equal to square root of 100 will give me plus 10 centimeters. Okay, square root of 100 is plus or minus 10, but since radius cannot be negative, we'll take positive value. Okay, so that will be 10 centimeter. Okay.